How's it going, TikTok? So today we got our first house call of the week. So you know I had to put them Ray-Ban glasses to use. But first, for a quick refill. Once we arrived to the location, I decided to unload all of my tools. First things first, we started off by moving any tools, trash can, and any just trash that was in the way. Next step, we decided to wet all of the concrete so that we could get started. Next, I attached my soap and I use my Autobahn pressure wash concentrate. I like to make sure I get every single part of concrete. After you spray all of your pressure wash concentrate, you want to make sure you let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before you start pressure washing. Once you begin pressure washing all of the concrete, you want to make sure you take your time and go in a straight line. Once we're done pressure washing all of that nasty dirt off, we begin to use our pressure washers to wash all of that dirt off the concrete. Here's a time lapse of us just cleaning off that dirt away and getting it off the concrete. After we were done, we decided to clean back up, and this was the finished product. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to drop a follow and support me on my journey.